out running red lights, sleep at the wheel. The sirens feed my nightmares. I just close my eyes and I'm already here. It's already too late. I know it's nothing but light, but this sounds so sincere. Find them two on the hang, and she calls from the darkness. So the water is sweet, so let's drink it in the darkness, if you know what I mean. And she calls from the darkness, so the water is sweet, so let's drink it in the darkness, if you know what I mean. And I'm almost sure that I've been here before, that this is not the first time I stood in front of this door with an overwhelming feeling that it's true to go in. But it seems this is a battle that I never could win. Right now, I'm too low. Come from the hilltop, come through the streets. Darling, don't you know? Water is poison. And I say, come on and give me my poison. What have I done? It's too late to save me from this place. Depths of the brain, we are